Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now I am going to show you a tutorial on how to block any Windows application from accessing internet. Now I am using Windows 10 on my computer. So if you want to block any application from accessing internet, you need to modify the firewall settings. To open the Windows firewall settings, you can just type here, right? Here we can see the Windows Defender firewall option, or you can open it from the control panel. I am going to open it from control panel. I typed control panel in the search bar and I'm going to open it. Here it is. At the bottom you can see there is written Windows Defender Firewall. If I click on it, the Defender Firewall settings window will be opened. This is the Windows Defender Firewall settings window. We can see many options here. There are some options available in the left side of the page. Among these options, I am opening advanced settings. This is the advanced security dialog. There are many options too. There is inbound rules, outbound rules, and other options too. If you want to block any application from internet access, you need to modify both of the rules, or you can do it on your need. If I modify the outbound rule, the application will not be able to access or get anything from out of the internet. And if I modify the inbound rule, the application will not be able to send anything or any information or any data from my computer to the internet. Let's start the process. At first, I am going to modify the outbound rule. At the Actions tab on the right side, you need to click on the new rule. Here is the new outbound rule wizard. Just click on next. You will get this option, this program path. From here you can choose the program that you want to block from accessing internet. Click on browse and find out the program that you want to block. I am going to block Google Chrome. Application, and here is the Google Chrome application. Select it and click on open. The path has been selected. Next, in this window you need to select the block connection option. Block the connection option has been selected previously. This is why I do not need to modify it. Click on next and keep all the options as it is, and then you need to click on next. Here you need to give a name to make a rule. I am typing here Chrome and click on finish. Yes, the rule has been created. Let's see what happened. I typed google.com on the URL bar and typing enter. There is a message has been appeared. This site can be reached. This is because Google Chrome is not able to access the internet anymore, and this is happening because of the settings that I have created just now. If I delete it from here, yes, I deleted the rule, and let's see what happened. I am trying to go to the google.com again, and now it has been opened successfully. This means by this way you can block any application from accessing internet. For outbound rules, we saw the process, and the inbound rules we can do the same thing by the same process. Select inbound rules, click on new rule, select next, and from the path you need to choose the program. Click on next and select block the connection and click on next. You do not need to modify this window. Click on next and give a name here and click on finish. Yes, the inbound rule has been created. So you saw that the process for inbound rule and outbound rule is the same. Thanks for watching my tutorial. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye.